If you love the smell of fresh homemade bread, but struggle to get that perfect crispy crust and soft interior, then you're going to want to see this. Today we're reviewing the Fuairmee 5Qt Sourdough Dutch Oven with lid, a complete bread baking kit designed to help you create bakery quality sourdough right in your own kitchen. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now, one of the biggest challenges with baking sourdough at home is controlling heat and moisture. Without the right cookware, your bread can come out flat, dense, or without that beautiful golden crust. That's exactly where the Fuairmee 5Qt cast iron Dutch oven for bread baking makes a huge difference. This heavy-duty cast iron Dutch oven is designed to trap heat and steam while baking. That means your dough rises properly, develops that signature crunchy crust, and stays fluffy on the inside. Whether you're baking classic sourdough, whole wheat bread, or artisan loaves, this pot helps recreate the environment of a professional bread oven. But what really makes this product stand out is that it's not just a pot. It's a complete sourdough bread baking kit. Instead of buying multiple tools separately, everything you need is included right in the box. That's a huge advantage for beginners and even experienced bakers who want a more convenient setup. Imagine mixing your dough, letting it proof in the basket, scoring the loaf like a professional baker, and sliding it straight into a perfectly preheated Dutch oven. The process becomes smoother, easier, and honestly, a lot more fun. Another big benefit is durability. Cast iron cookware is famous for lasting decades, and this one is pre-seasoned with natural oils, meaning it's ready to use right away. With proper care, this Dutch oven can become one of the most reliable tools in your kitchen. And it's not limited to bread. You can use this Dutch oven for stews, soups, braising, roasting, frying, and even camping meals. So you're not just buying a bread tool. You're adding a versatile cooking essential to your kitchen. Let's quickly go through the standout features of the Fuairmee 5Qt Sourdough Dutch Oven Baking Kit. What I really like about this kit is how it simplifies the entire bread making process. Instead of figuring out which tools you need or worrying about uneven baking results, everything is designed to work together. That means less guesswork and more delicious bread. If you've ever wanted to bake sourdough at home but felt intimidated by the process, this kit removes a lot of those barriers. And if you're already baking bread, it upgrades your setup with professional tools that make the results even better. It also makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for someone who loves cooking, a family member who enjoys baking, or even yourself, this set is perfect for holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. Few gifts are as satisfying as something that helps create homemade food and memories in the kitchen. So if you're serious about making bakery-style sourdough bread at home, or you just want a versatile cast iron Dutch oven that can handle almost anything, this is definitely worth checking out. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the description to check the latest price. And if you enjoy discovering useful kitchen gear like this, make sure you subscribe for more honest reviews and cooking tools that actually make a difference.